chanting supporters outside Congressman Don Bacon's office Saturday, but inside, a group of tough constituents opposing his stance on health care.
Access to health care is not a competition. Access to health care is a basic human right.
After protesting outside his office last week, Indivisible Nebraskans now sitting down with a representative in hopes of swaying his vote for the American Health Care Act from yay to nay.
Are you prepared to vote on that bill now as it's written? And if not, what changes do you want to see?
Well, I'd like to see what they've done over this weekend.
It's great that he wants the questions answered, but he was not willing to commit to putting on the brakes. If it went to the floor today, he would vote for it.
It can be fine-tuned, and it will be fine-tuned.
Members of Indivisible Nebraskans brought several of their concerns to the table regarding Speaker Paul Ryan's bill, like lack of expansion and the risk of millions losing coverage in the coming years.
We feel ultimately that he listened to us, but we're not really sure that he heard everything that we were saying about our concerns with the AHCA.
But Bacon says he did hear.
I'll be the first to tell you that some people have been helped under ACA.
While he still supports the AHCA, he's vowed to consider some of the group's worries, like cuts to Medicaid.
I will take this back to make sure that I understand what the impacts will be for our elderly that are relying on Medicaid in the nursing home.
But still, Indivisible Nebraskans leaving the meeting unsatisfied.
To remain in support of the AHCA, I don't think at this point is responsible.
That's what I campaigned on. I think I'm trying to follow through on my campaign promise.
A vote for the AHCA bill could come as early as Thursday. After this meeting, Congressman Bacon went on to Valley to speak at a private gathering with business owners there. On Friday, some groups advertised that gathering as a public town hall meeting, but Bacon's office says that was never the case. Reporting tonight, Taylor Barth, KETV News Watch 7.